Hey Spice Squad, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, press that red subscribe button down below and press the bell so you don't miss a thing your girl posts. Welcome back, Spice Squad. If you're not a part of the Spice Squad, it's not hard to become a part of the squad. Just press that red subscribe button down below. Happy Vlogmas! Guys, we have made it 2 weeks. Those who are just tuning into my Vlogmas, this is my first time doing Vlogmas, and I have went 14 days straight. Woo! And I know I'm definitely gonna hit 15 because there is gonna be a second part to this video. Please don't mind this red mark. If you see this red mark right here, I was just scratching, and any type of scratch, itch, or anything that I have, my eye turned red. So don't mind it. I don't gotta hit you nothing. Okay, anyway, so basically what I'm doing tonight is getting ready for my Christmas party tomorrow. I'm having an ugly Christmas sweater party tomorrow, and I am just kind of cleaning up my house and getting everything prepared. So this is preparation for my DIY ugly sweater party. So I say DIY because I've made a lot of my games, I think. Like a lot of things I've got from Pinterest, different ideas, and I'm hoping that it turns out to be a success. So I guess I'll show you guys some of the things that I made, and you guys can comment down below and let me know what you all think of the different things that I've done. Let me turn this light on in here. I don't know if that did anything, but okay. So first line of business. This is our gift exchange game. So you see these black dots over here? That is the dice. Oh my God, I thought about it. I don't think I got dice. I need to get dice. Okay, good thing I have tomorrow morning. I'll get some dice. Anyways, so what we'll be doing is rolling some dice, and whatever our dice lands on, that's what we'll do with the gifts that they brought. So everyone has instructions to wear an ugly sweater and bring a gift. And if they get 1, obviously they'll keep their gift. 2, steal anyone's gifts. 3, everyone pass their gift to the right, to the left. 4, pass your gift to the right, and then it repeats. Keep your gift, steal anyone's gift. You kind of get the logistics. This is gonna be our selfie station. You see me. Jeez, well, I can't even get me my arms that long enough. Okay, so this is this selfie, selfie frame that everyone will have to take their selfie picture in. And I have some cool props, let me show you them. And when I tell you the dollar store came in handy, the dollar store came in handy. Oh, well, let me tell you what I made the gift exchange game out of. Let me pull it over. Okay, so on the back of it is like a hard poster board, and then I also got this poster board that had lines on it, so it was easy for me to write on it. I used a black permanent marker, and then these are stickers I got from the dollar store, and then this is just the frilly stuff I also got from the dollar store, and I glued this stuff on there with a hot glue gun and these hot glue gun, just little decorations to make it pretty. Okay, so back to my selfie station. I got this cutout actually from Michael's. So if you are throwing a party, you need a selfie frame, you don't want to cut it yourself and be hard on yourself if you have a crooked line, you can go to Michael's and get this for $11.99. They always have coupons, so look for like a 20% off coupon and it'll be even cheaper. And then I just decorated with silver stuff. You get my theme here, silver glitter theme. I'm trying to have it match my house. Don't ask why. But I got these cute little props for the girls to wear tomorrow. And my ugly Christmas sweater party is all girls, because I don't have many guy friends. And then I have this one. I have this hat. I have these glasses. I have this cute scarf. So I have some cute props for everyone to wear. Ah, my hair. Okay, so that's the selfie station, and then I'm also gonna give a prize for the person who gets the most votes for the best ugly Christmas sweater. And let me tell you guys, I bought something really cute to wear tomorrow. Well, something very ugly, but Christmas themed, cute to wear tomorrow. And I think if it was not my party, I would probably win. But I won't let them choose me as the winner because it's not fair. And I bought the gift, so it wouldn't be fair. So this is the box that everyone's gonna put their vote in. I got this box from Target, and I'm just gonna cut a hole and right here, a slit for them to put their vote inside of. But I don't know if I wanna mess the box up. Maybe I'll open it up and be like, hey, just put your vote in here. Like, I'll make a sign probably and say, put your vote in here. I really wanna make a slit because I think that's easier. And then I can put a pen and paper here for everyone to vote. I think I'll do that, guys. So this game that I'm about to show you is my favorite game that I made, and I feel like I did a good job. And don't judge me because it's not super even. But it's called the Naughty or Nice game. And as you can see, they're red Solo cups shaped into like a triangle, sort of like a tree. And this is tissue paper that I hot glue gun. I hot glued this on here. And what everyone will do is like poke a hole through one cup, and there is a naughty or nice slip inside with a tree. And whatever that naughty slip says, they have to do. And it's sort of like a dare. And if it's a nice slip, well, you'll see what the nice slips say tomorrow, and you'll see exactly what the dare say tomorrow too. So just make sure you tune into tomorrow's vlog so you can see who got naughty, who got nice, and what they had to do, or what they possibly won. Okay? I got this idea from Pinterest as well. And all of these things are super cheap to make. The Solo cups were $1 at the Dollar Tree. This tissue paper, $1. Everything's super cheap. The next game that I'm actually gonna be making right now is tic-tac-toe, and they will have to basically play tic-tac-toe while flipping a cup, and they'll be competing against one person, and whoever loses will have to, I don't know, maybe take a drink, or whoever wins will win a prize. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do yet. But basically you do tic-tac-toe on like a dark surface, and we'll have them flip a cup. Both of them will be on the side trying to flip a cup, and they'll put their, whoever gets their 3 in a row wins. And you can block the person as well. Like, you can block them as you're playing. I found this game on Facebook. It looked really cool. And I had this black table, and I'm like, this would be the perfect table to do the white tic-tac-toe with the tape. I got this tape from the dollar store, so super cheap. But I know it'll be super fun. I'm gonna tell you guys now, the most expensive thing I paid for this party is food. But I gotta feed my people. Gotta feed my people. And you'll see what we have to eat tomorrow. See what was so expensive. Okay, I think this is good. So here's our tic-tac-toe board. And this is gonna be a really big game, I think, tomorrow, because it can be super competitive and a lot of fun. So I'm gonna give you guys like an example of what they have to do. Okay, so that's one, so I can go here. 2, then I go here. Say this person over here flips their cup over, they can block me, you know, or what have you. So you're basically playing tic-tac-toe, but it's whoever can flip their cup over successfully that gets to go. And what I'll do is put XOXO on the bottom so that they know, because they're both the same color cup. So this is the tic-tac-toe station. I'm trying to figure out where I want to put it at. Like, do I want to have a game section in the house? Because y'all know what I am going to have in the house? A hookah station. So, another game that we have is called Rudolph. And I just named that Rudolph because it just seems appropriate. So, what they'll do is wear these ears, and there'll be 2 people that'll have these on, and then they'll toss this and try to make it on the ears. So each group will have the same number of rings, and whoever can get their rings to fit on the antlers, horns, whatever, yeah, antlers. Whoever can get all of their rings on the antler first, that team wins. Or that team wins. So we'll have like pairs. Look at this. I need to like re-blow them up, but they'll be fresh for tomorrow. Okay, the next game that I have is called Twerk Pong. So a lot of you guys may have seen this game. You guys seen me playing it at the girls' night that I went to. You put these boxes on your backside and you have to shake them out, and whoever gets the ball out first wins. So we're gonna do 2 rounds of 2, and then the winners of those 2 rounds will battle each other for a gift. And I got these from TJ Maxx, actually $5.99 each. I could have made it, but this was easier because I had to make other games. So my good sister Shalia gave me the idea of doing a hot chocolate bar, and she showed me some ideas on Pinterest, and I looked on Pinterest myself, and what they actually do it in is a crock pot. So I have a crock pot, so I'm gonna make the hot chocolate in the crock pot, keep it in the crock pot so it can stay warm the entire time. I bought 2 boxes to mix up and put them in there, and listen, the key to making hot chocolate, use milk. I got these cute little holders from Target, $1, and I'm gonna put these peppermint sticks in there. They're for hot chocolate. I think they'll be cute. These are spoons that like have caramel on them, chocolate and marshmallows that will melt in your hot chocolate, and you can use it as a spoon. I obviously have marshmallows. I have these chocolate peppermint sticks that I found in Target as well. All of the stuff I got from Target, actually. They had a whole hot chocolate bar stand, believe it or not. You can check out my Christmas shopping video and you'll see the stand in Target that had all of this cool stuff. And I'm gonna keep the bar, the hot chocolate bar, actually in here on the counter because it has to stay plugged up and out of the way. Now I need to decide how I'm going to rearrange my house to make it efficient for the party. I think I want to move my table back against the wall. I have a table cover for my table because on the table I'm gonna set up the desserts like the brownies, the cookies. I have a lot of candy. I have favors. Oh, I wanted to show you guys the favors. So I made everyone that's coming a stocking, and it has some cool goodies in here, and not just candy, as you can, which is what you can see, but there's some cool goodies inside of here. I have these kind of stockings, and I have these stockings. I really like the fur on them, so that's why I got them. So now watch as I contemplate how I'm gonna set up this freaking house to make it efficient for the party tomorrow. Are you ready for the big reveal? So I had you guys watch some of it, but it was a bit too much and it was gonna be too boring. So I cut you guys off, put you guys on pause until I got everything together. So everything's not 100% together, but I got a bulk of the things together. So tomorrow morning, I'll only have to do a little bit of stuff. Okay, so let me introduce you guys to the fireplace. Who says you can't have a fireplace if you don't have a real fireplace? Definitely got this from Aaliyah J's vlog with Wizard Kelly. They say just go on YouTube, type in fireplace, and they have a 10-hour thing, a 10-hour fireplace. You just put it up there. So it definitely gives it a homey vibe. Okay, so I'm obviously gonna have the Christmas lights on and everything, but I'm not gonna give you guys all of it because I definitely want you guys to tune in tomorrow where I'll have everything lit up. So the Christmas tree will be lit up. I'll have the lights up on my entertainment center over there lit up. It just looks a little junky right now because that stuff's there, but it'll be lit up over there. I'll have different lights on in here because I do have the Hue lights. And if you don't know what the Philip Hue lights are, check out the Philip Hue review on my channel. They change different colors, so I'll have it really funky and cute in a different color. And then up here I have the selfie station is gonna stay up here, and I have like the little selfie props right here that I was showing you guys earlier. But my mom is bringing a small table for me tomorrow so that I can set that stuff on there. I think I'm going to unravel these lights and have this station lit up over here. And then don't mind this stuff. I'm about to do a little wrapping and clean my floors. You can see something right there that should not be there, but I'm about to sweep and mop. Okay, so then I have chairs lined up over here, and you see I have 1 and 2 hookahs. I have 3 hookahs, but I'm just gonna have 2 hookahs out. I don't need it smoked out in here all crazy, but I have them in boxes because I had a accident for my housewarming, and the cold fell and messed up one of my chairs, and I had to order 2 more chairs, and that's why I have extra chairs. So I guess that's a blessing in disguise. But anyways, if the hookah plans to fall, it will fall in the cardboard box. It might look a little tacky, but this is the first year. We'll get better with time. Then I have the tic-tac-toe station right here, which is a good spot because that goes right over into our game station. So we have the twerk pong, we have Uno, we have Jenga, we have the 5-second rule, we have regular cards, we have midnight taboo, we have the naughty or nice game, and we have our reindeer game right there at the bottom. Then the table. We have a couple drinks, we have some treats, we have our vote on your favorite ugly sweater box, and we have our favorites over here with some treats on the table and a little decoration. Then I will put some funky lights up here as well, so it'll look really cute in here. We'll have the mirror lit up as well, but like I said, I want you guys to tune in tomorrow so you can get the real ugly sweater Christmas vibe. This is the hot cocoa station over here. This will be finished tomorrow. I actually got some cups from the dollar store. They give you these cups and they come with the lids and these little covers if it's too hot. So I thought that was really neat and something cool to have for the guests. Oh, and this is the utensil station. Plates, napkins, cups. They will not need forks or knives. And you'll find out tomorrow why once you see the food that we're gonna have. Okay, so I think I showed you guys almost everything. Like I said, it's not 100% complete, but it's about 80% there. I really want you guys to tune in tomorrow so you can see all the fun and all the action that's gonna take place here. And you'll see, like, I'll do like a grand reveal of how everything looks as it's lit up and just in its full effect. I am praying for a good night tomorrow. I have some good people coming, some good vibes, good energies that will be in the midst. So just praying for a fun night, everyone to just have a good time. This is my first time hosting an ugly Christmas sweater party or even some sort of like game night at my house other than having my housewarming. My second half of the year has been super, super busy. So ending it with a bang, ending it with something at my house, and just hoping that everyone has a good time. If you guys want to know where I got anything from, if you're interested in kind of making a DIY game, or if you have any tips for me or what I could do next time, definitely comment down below because this is an annual thing that I want to do every year. My annual ugly Christmas sweater party, and I'm going to definitely enhance it every year. So just stay tuned for those vlogs because I think I'll always record it because it'll always be something fun and entertaining to watch because my friends are crazy in a good way. And very competitive, so these games are gonna get serious tomorrow. I didn't show you guys the gifts because you'll see them tomorrow once people win. But I do have some gifts over there. Doesn't look like a lot, but one you can't really see because it's the grand prize for the person who wins the best ugly Christmas sweater. All right, so you guys know what I always say. Be the light wherever you go because wherever you go, the light shall follow.